Prime Minister Modi inaugurated Sevatirth and Kartavya Bhavan 1 and 2 on 13 February 2026 in New Delhi. Union Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs Manohar Lal Yadav and Minister of State in PMO Jitendra Singh are also present during the inauguration event. I am Shoaib Malik Azad and you are watching inside coverage of NNP News.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will unveil the name of the building complex Sevatirth today.
विकसित भारत का संकल्प लेकर सेवा तीर्थ में कर्तव्य भवन में प्रवेश कर रहे हैं.
Let's watch our ground report from Lutyens, Delhi. This Prime Minister office has been now officially shifted from this south block of Secretariat building, which is situated on Raisena Hill, to this newly built Sevatirth complex, which is located on Kartavya Path as part of the Central Vista redevelopment project. However, the Prime Minister official residence remains unchanged. For decades, it's been located at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg and it's continued to remain at the same address. This marks the first relocation of PMO since independence. Nearly 78 years of operations from the historical colonial era South Block office. But the question is why the PMO has been shifted to a new location. Is it due to security and safety concerns, administrative restructuring? Do watch the full report from NNP Delhi newsroom to understand the reasons behind this significant move. The Prime Minister's office, the National Security Council Secretariat and Cabinet Secretariat were now shifted to a newly built Sevatirth complex. These offices were previously located in various separate buildings including South Block, which was constructed during the British era. Several key union ministries' offices such as Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Defence, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Law and Justice, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers, Ministry of Tribal Affairs are accommodated in Kartavya Bhavan 1 and Kartavya Bhavan 2 of the Sevatirth complex. The name Sevatirth reflects a thematic shift, emphasizing services to citizens with the motto Nagrik Devo Bhava, which means the citizen is akin to God. Kartavya Bhavan refers to duty or responsibility. The entire Sevatirth premises, also known as the Executive Enclave, has been constructed at a cost of 1,189 crore rupees. It spans 226,203 square feet. The government said that it is a transformative milestone in India's administrative governance architecture and reflect PM Modi's commitment to building a modern, efficient, accessible and citizen-centric government ecosystem. For decades, several key government offices and ministries have functions from fragmented and aging infrastructure spread across multiple locations in the Central Vista area. This dispersion led to operational inefficiencies, coordination challenges and escalating maintenance costs and suboptimal working environment. The new building complexes address these issues by the consolidating administrative functions within the modern, future-ready facilities. Before the inauguration of Sevatirth complex, PM Modi chaired the last Union Cabinet meeting at the South Block, making the end of operation there. The South Block will be converted into a museum. In his address, PM Modi said the shift was moving from colonial era symbol of imperial power to grounded citizen-centric governance aligned with independent India's aspirations and visions of Viksit Bharat. From the new office, PM Modi approved several schemes including the PM Rahat schemes. The Central Vista redevelopment project launched in 2019 aims to modernize the 3-kilometer stretch from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. It includes a new parliamentary building which is already in operation, consolidating secretariat facilities. The new complex has digitally integrated offices, structured public interface zones and centralized reception facilities. These features will foster collaboration, efficiency, seamless governance, improve citizen engagement, and enhance employee well-being. The building complexes also include comprehensive safety and security framework such as smart access control systems, surveillance network, and advanced emergency response infrastructure, ensuring a secure and accessible environment for officials and visitors. The relocation of Prime Minister office is a historical move. This shift marks a significant administrative change under the Central Vista redevelopment project. Thank you for watching. Stay with NNP News for more update and in-depth coverage. I'll be back here again soon.